Alright, this Iron Dog training video is going to walk you through how to do a sort by brand, make, and software off of the devices that actually took the image or took the picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually type in our command, and instead of a lowercase s for a sort, which is the basic sort, this is an enhanced sort. So you're going to use a capital S, and then you're going to do a -F for option, and then of course we're going to do a give it the name of the folder, which we actually have nested right here, and I have it viewing on the left. So what this is going to do is it's going to sort all of the images if they have GPS data. It's going to map them by brand, make, and software. Any images that are taken that match that brand, make, and software, those are actually logged into that folder as well. There's another big difference here, and that will be the line or spatial and chronological lines that are generated with XifMap, which we'll display in a minute here. So we've constructed the command, so XifMap -S space -F space folder name that you want sorted, and we're going to go ahead and press enter. It's going to run. Obviously it runs pretty quickly, and as you see on the left there, it's already mapped and changed everything into folders. So these were tagged as coming from the same basically brand, make, and software. Now, does that mean it's an absolute forensic match? It is possible to have two different phones that are the same brand, make, and software, and then have images from those two phones get mapped into the same folder. It's really a start point for you to begin to look at things, all right? But it is a good sortation tool. So again, we have those on the left. This LG Electronics has multiples in it as well. If there's only one, of course, it's only going to have that. Now here's the other big difference. If you look at, but previously in some of the other videos with the basic sorts, you get everything connected together. So it gives you spatial and chronological or temporal movement, if you will, based off all of the captures that were mapped, or I should say pictures. This one's a little bit different. And what we're going to do here is we're going to see that by phone they've been mapped differently. So they're still appear on the left as normal, but then you've got different path chronologies here at the bottom. So you can turn those on and off. We're going to turn off one that we can actually see. So this particular one is from the Samsung, and there's 3 images there. So we can turn that off. Now this helps you identify that particular brand, make, and software of device that was, if it had multiple captures that it was involved on. So keep in mind, like with the Apple iPhone, you need the 3GS here. You need more than one photo to have a line, obviously. So with the LG Electronics, we would have the same thing. And of course, this we would not on the Droid X because we only have one image. So, but that is a big difference with the sortation on the capital S. It does create separate lines for you to be able to track and view movement of particular devices, or at least begin to do that. So you could theoretically have 2 iPhones with the exact same software version and have their images get logged into the same folder if everything matches up. So it's really a start point to begin to examine the images that you have. All right, so thanks for watching.